Now, there is another twist to the eligible delegates in Pillar 3 of the Jamaica Football Federation membership, as one of 3 bodies that was accepted at a board meeting on Wednesday has now been thrown out. More in this report.
When Beach Football Association of Jamaica Limited and the Jamaica Coaches Association were accepted at an emergency JFF board meeting on Wednesday, questions were asked about their eligibility. And as it now turns out, those who were asking the questions are in the right, as the Beach Football Association membership was pulled after at least 3 listed members on the registration say they were not a member and didn't give any authorization to be a part of such. As a result, they're now back where they started, which gives hope to Beach Soccer Jamaica of re-entering the conversation.
The document that the GenSec has would have named a particular member who said that he did not confirm being part of the group. But then when we looked, it was this provisional list that was sent. So he is not in fact a member of the group. He was just on that first list. It was deferred to be re-looked at subsequently.
The problem started with interested parties jostling for votes at the next JFF voting AGM, where the incumbent Michael Ricketts is set to receive a challenge from one of his stablemates, Raymond Anderson. However, Ricketts dismisses all suggestions that his administration was doing everything to stay in power.
I would think it's the other way around, because I've been here for 6 years and my accomplishment speaks for themselves.
Meanwhile, the potential challenger Anderson is still not happy with the way how things are happening, even as they try to increase the votes.
We spent years and months and a lot of meetings trying to really move from the 13 to 56. And what I've seen over the time with some of my colleagues, and they want to fix the thing in a way that it still stay within a small group. That's my concern.
With the election looming, another board member, Danny Beckford, says there is now a split within the federation.
I can tell you something, the biggest concern is that we are a divided lot right now. It's like a big party politics. So anything that's the incumbents them do, it is applauded by, at this point in time, the majority. The minority of us who are at least open to question certain things, some of the time now you are labeled as so and so.
Meanwhile, the Rudolph Speed Coaches Association has been accepted, likewise the Past Players Association. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.